I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the screen is spotless and dry so the sensor reads reliably. Once done, go straight to Settings, Passwords and Security, and choose Fingerprint. Start enrollment now. You should tap with steady pressure, not a light brush. Make about 15 to 20 distinct presses, moving your finger across the on-screen sensor target. Make sure to alternate angles slightly so the phone captures edge ridges and not just the center pad. Once the initial scans are accepted, refine the registration by changing your finger angle and position for each capture. You want to include the inner and outer ridges, so deliberately roll and tilt the finger 10 to 30 degrees during presses. This increases the matching tolerance. Make 2 to 3 extra scans on spots that felt weak previously, and pause between taps to let the sensor recalibrate. This reduces false rejects later when your finger is wet or dry. You finish by enabling fingerprint unlock and any quick access gestures tied to the sensor, then immediately test unlock performance 10 times using varied pressure and angles. If you see consistent failures, stop and re-clean the screen with alcohol-free solution, dry it, and re-enroll the same finger focusing on missed edge areas. If problems persist, delete the fingerprint and start fresh. This often resolves profiling errors caused by initial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.